Hey guys, this is Nathan. Welcome to a new Hwid Spoofer, and let's go with the intro. And guys, as you can see, here is the spoofer. You gotta right click, run as administrator. You gotta hit yes, and this is it. You got here the Hwid Spoofer. As you can see, this is a free software. If you paid for this spoofer, you can. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. Be careful out there because there's a lot of people to charge you for the free software. This is just free. As you can see, it's pretty simple spoofer. It has just a few functions, but it's more than enough for a few anti-cheats to avoid them. So yeah, as you can see, we can spoof already. Done. The PC name and product ID, and yeah, please be patient depending on PC, blah 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 blah. As you can see, this is all you're gonna need. Let's spoof, I don't know, the PC name. Sorry. And we hit enter and it will instantly go back. That means that it's done, it's good. But if you right click it and open it as administrator, here it is what happens. Sorry, let's try with the, you see, you will have this error telling you that you can access the registry, run as administrator. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. That's all this spoofer has to offer to us. And yeah, as I said, pretty simple one, but pretty useful. It works very nicely. I've been using this for my cheat sign since like last week and no problems at all. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Link will be down on the description, and yeah, enjoy. See you next video. Bye bye.